Hi there, my name is Jessica. I'm an early childhood educator and a single mom to 2 little girls. I have a daughter who is 5 that is currently in kindergarten, and I also have a 3-year-old that stays at home with me on a day-to-day basis. Being a single mom, I don't have the time to always plan and implement activities for my youngest daughter to do during the day. I was so happy when Flintoclass offered to send over some of their program. My daughter gets so excited to start her day with Flintoclass, and we just pull out the box, we set it up on the TV, and she participates and she takes part in the program. She loves to do the singing, the dancing. It comes with lots of activities that are all put together in their little day bags. There's literacy, there's math, there is counting and your alphabet and fine motor, gross motor activities. They're doing so much learning through this program, and I'm so happy that it came to us during a time where we couldn't sign up for any other programs. So thank you, Flinto Class, and my daughter is enjoying your program so much.